Meet the IN001 Hydroprogressive roughen valve, designed for smooth control of water flow and temperature. Start by securing the backplate to the Hydroprogressive valve with the provided screws. This ensures everything's stable. Align the valve on the mounting wall with all axes to make sure it's perfectly level. Keep an eye on the depth markers on the mud guard. Stay within the max and min limits for smooth installation. Make sure the valve will sit properly with the finished wall once everything's installed. Now, attach the valve's backplate to the mounting plate with the screws. Clean the water supply pipes before sliding them into the valve for a snug fit. Connect the pipe to the showerhead outlet, if you're setting it up for a shower. Or connect the pipe to a wash basin spout outlet, depending on the application. Configure the valve to handle multiple outlets with the diverter, depending on your setup using IN001 and IN064. If you're working with independent outlets like a showerhead and hand shower, configure them accordingly. Give the system a quick test to make sure all the connections are tight and everything's working. When the wall is finished, make sure the valve's plastic guard lines up neatly with the final surface. Finally, install the gaskets and rings from the trim package to complete the installation and ensure a tight seal. For the perfect finish, refer to the installation guide of the trims to make sure everything aligns perfectly.